Hello, this is Expressions, Equations, and Problem Solving, Writing Expressions, Example 5, and it's a little story about telephone service and the charges for it. It says your basic monthly charge for cell phone service is $30, and that includes 300 free minutes, and then you pay a fee for each extra minute you use. 1 month you paid $3.75 for 15 extra minutes. Find your total bill if you use 22 extra minutes. Now you've got to start writing these things in your own words so it starts making more sense. And I started to write things out for myself. $30 per month includes 300 minutes. And then 1 month you paid $3.75 for 15 extra minutes, and what is the total bill with 22 extra minutes? Well, it seems like we don't have enough information to solve this. We know the bill is going to be at least $30, but we have to add the charge for 22 extra minutes. But it doesn't tell us how much an extra minute cost. But it did tell us how much it costs for 15 extra. And just like the last example, this has to do with unit rates. One of the examples I showed you last time was that if you had 75 cents for 3 oranges and you had to find the unit rate, that would be 25 cents a piece, 75 divided by 3. And we have to do a similar thing here. If we had $3.75 for 15 minutes, we're going to have to divide 375 by 15, the same way we divided 75 by 3, to get the unit rate. That would tell us how much money 1 extra minute costs. Then we can multiply that times 22 to find out what the extra minutes on this month's bill are going to cost. So $3.75 divided by 15, and this division would give you 25 cents. And that 25 cents is 1 extra. Now I'm going to have to take 22 and multiply that times the 25 cents. And the reason I do that is because we have to figure out how much these 22 minutes cost if they're 25 cents each, and that's $5.50. And that's the cost for 22 extra. And the question says, what is the total bill? Now the total bill is not going to be $5.50 because that does not include the $30. So to get the total bill, it's going to be $30 plus my $5.50, and that means the total bill is $35.50.